Well, hi, we're going to make a pizza dough salad bowl. That's right, and you can use fresh pizza dough. You can use fresh store-bought dough or pizza crust. I'm going to try it with this. And what you need to do is you need a cookie tray, and they're saying about a 10-inch bowl. This goes about 6 inches, and then you want to leave some for the edge. So what we're going to do, I'm going to pan you down, and we're going to go from there. And I'll have everything in the description box below. Okay, we've got this. And they say you will need to put it on a cookie sheet, just like that. You need to spray the bowl. So what I'm going to do is I'm spraying around the bowl, just like that. There you go. Put that off to the side, just like that. Now we need to open this. I don't use this very much. I can't even remember the last time I've used one. I'm not real sure even how to open it here. See if I can read it with my eyes here. Start here. Pop, press, seal, and peel. Pop, press, seal, and peel, okay? I'm peeling. Shows you how much I know about this stuff. Okay, didn't get all that off. Oh, there we go. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little flour on my board here, just like this. Wow, look at this. I've never used this before. Interesting, very interesting. Just gonna put a little flour on my hands, just like this. Oh yeah, I have never used this. Now I'm gonna be quite interested to see how it's gonna work. I've got my big roller, my Pioneer Woman roller, and then I have my regular flour tortilla roll that came from Mexico from my late mother-in-law, Marcela Jaramillo. And we'll start with a little one here. See what happens. We need to roll this out. Bring the Big Daddy out. We'll see. Roll it just like this. Keep rolling it. Just like this. How many of you made one of these before? I have never. I don't even think I've ever bought the pizza dough like this before. It's going to be interesting for me, because I've never worked with it. You can make these smaller. You just have to make the ratio a little smaller when you're making it. That's all. It says not to make it too thin either. That only looks about like 6 inches. Oh, it's almost 9. And what's it say? It's got to make a 12-inch. Get 12 inches out of this or not. See what we can do here. Okay, I'm going to bring you back as I work on the 12 inches. Okay, I believe this is 12 inches. There you go. We're going to call that 12 right there. Okay, so then it says you want some 3 tablespoons of butter and a half a teaspoon of garlic. I put it in the microwave and I melted it. You want to just use a little bit and then you want to reserve. And then it says you want to preheat your oven to 400, and this is what I'm doing right here. just taking the butter and the garlic powder and just brushing the dough. Just like this. Then I'm gonna bring this like this, and I'm gonna press the dough over the bowl. Just like this. Like again, I've never done this before. This is all new to me. So we're about ready to find out what's gonna happen here. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees. I'll bring you back. I just want to say I took the bread bowl out of the oven and it looks beautiful. I hope it cools and it comes out great. I've called a friend and we are going to have lunch tomorrow, and I am going to bring the bread bowl and I'm going to fill it with a wonderful salad. So let me show you how nice it looks. It's still wicked hot. Look at that. Doesn't that look great? Now I'm gonna set it back down. I don't know if I can turn this around. I don't really want to play with it being hot. It's wicked hot. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna pan you down. Oh boy, does it ever look good, huh? Look at that. Looks like maybe it was gonna have a little bump right there, but that's okay. Look at that. Ooh, hot. Okay, so there you have it right there. Looks beautiful. Now I'm gonna stop this and let it cool. Okay, I've got all the vegetables cut up, and I may dice an apple after, I'm not quite sure. My friend, Miss Penny, she's kind of picky in her vegetables, so I'm gonna talk to her about it. But this bowl came out absolutely beautiful. And I coated the inside with butter and garlic. It said reserve some, so that's what I did. So I'm gonna bring you down while we build the salad. Here we go. And I used everything that I had in my refrigerator that I thought she may like. So I know she likes cheese. So we're gonna put some cheese, because remember, this is pizza dough crust, and you can break this off in pieces and dip it in pizza sauce, okay? So we're gonna put a little lettuce, just like that, and a little bit of tomato, and a little bit of carrots. Now this is only gonna be for 2. And I have a little red onion here, just like this. Now, they are calling for snow tomorrow. I hope not, but they are. We could get 4 inches, so I hope that doesn't spoil our get-together. And here's some more tomatoes. I know she absolutely loves tomatoes. And here's a little bit more carrots. And again, you can rip this off. It's very pliable. Okay. Put a little bit more red onions in. This is going to be so delicious. I wish Mr. R would like this. Well, maybe I would if I could sneak it with something, but I don't know. Just like this. And we have a little bit of celery here too. Put that in. Like I said, I used what I had in my refrigerator. Nothing more, nothing fancy. You know, like they say, use what you got. You could put a hard-boiled egg in here. You could put some ham in here. You could do most anything. Again, I used what I had. And this is what I had. So, you know, it's nice to use up what you got in your pantry, do pantry meals. And I had that pizza crust dough. I'm like, what am I gonna do with it? I was gonna make something else. I've had it put back for a while, and I said, well, I saw this recipe. I said, I'm gonna try this. So there you have it. I tried it. Just like this. This is gonna be yummy, yummy, yummy in this Grammy's tummy. Call Miss Penn over. Or I'm not sure if I'm going over there or if she's coming over here. It all depends what Miss Penny wants to do. Depending on the weather. And I think we'll sneak a little bit more cheese in here, just like this. Again, you can break this off, take pizza sauce, dip it off to the side. I got a Fiesta platter here on the bottom holding it. I love my Fiesta. I have all kinds of it. I used to collect Fiesta glass dishware. And we're just gonna top it off with some red onions. I have some olives in there, but she likes black olives. I like the green salad olives. So I may just take some over so we can have it on the side. Not quite sure yet, and she loves her onions. So we're gonna call that good right there. And I think it looks great. So there you go, right here. Pizza dough salad in a bowl. And all you do is break this off, dip it in pizza sauce, warm up your sauce if you want, and you got a little bit of pizza taste with a nice salad in the middle. Put whatever dressing you want on it. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please share out my videos. I'd greatly appreciate it. Watch an extra video if you can. So you never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless. Stay safe, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye now.